Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Roofstock, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. Type the URL www.roofstock.com into the address bar. Press the enter key to load the Roofstock homepage. Once the homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your registered email address. Type your email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Make sure your password is typed correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your credentials. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your Roofstock account. Explore your dashboard to view available features. If you encounter any issues, refer to Roofstock's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.